To work, travailler. In previous lessons, you learned how to say I work, je travaille, you work, tu travailles, he works, il travaille, does he work, travaille-t-il, she works, elle travaille, does she work, travaille-t-elle, and in this lesson we're going to learn how to say we work. Okay, we work. Nous travaillons, nous travaillons. Remember, ONS ending always goes with nous. From travailler, you remove the ER and replace it with the ONS. Nous travaillons. Nous travaillons. We work. Nous travaillons. We work. Nous travaillons. We work. Nous travaillons. Okay, let's put it together with the vocabulary you already know. To work, travailler, we work. Nous travaillons, here, ici, today, aujourd'hui, tomorrow, demain, a lot, beaucoup, and too much, trop. If you want to say we work here, nous travaillons ici. We work today, nous travaillons aujourd'hui. We work tomorrow, nous travaillons demain. We work a lot, nous travaillons beaucoup. We work too much, nous travaillons trop. Alright, to continue on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. À bientôt.